to go out the car, boy, them know me car. Everybody know me Matt Black BMW. So I said to boom now Swiss Lane. As in tap out so. Swiss Lane said me tap out so I regate. A 3 man me see come behind inside the door and start squeeze off for me. And me now turn my back and give them the Swiss Lane. Because I take my gun from the security now and I put my gun on the right, that's how you know. Swiss Lane come gun jump in on my front, you know. You see me I dig forget to be one look enough boy come there now and I saw me jump, you know. And the boy comes up, marks me up in the security, bust 2 or 5 now with a Swiss Lane.
Remember this boy, remember you sit down and chat squash man, them in a batty boy. Remember good no boy. Now batty boy go suck your mother pussy. Me a bad boy, none of them can see me and rush me. Pussy, you know me live to your gun yard, then I call up and go suck your mother batty boy. Batty boy, remember you talk about God missing up in a dog and squash man, they want to kill you in a dog. I hold it when you chat and for blood clot chat them kill you now.
Butta do it. Butta do it, grudge blood clot, world dog. A world dog carry enough of them to the forefront. Enough of a world dog highlight, enough of them. Butta figure prison for him. Me a grudge blood clot, man.
So now people, respect for tuning into another video. As I say, yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. And basically people, yeah, World Dog has been spotted after the shooting. As I say, and basically the police them reveal the surveillance tape. As I say, yeah, and basically Joe that also passed away that most people say is World Dog friend. Basically Joe is World Dog cousin. As I say, and right now people, we have Swiss Lee a breakdown. As I say, yeah, and basically Swiss Lee a cry. As I say, and basically a lot of people have been bashing Swiss Lee say yo at the end of the day a Swiss Lee set it up. You see me I say Evil Britta say at the end of the day say yo a Swiss Lee sacrifice World Dog, and also another female individual on TikTok is also stating that Swiss Lee set up World Dog. You see me I say, and really and truly in my own personal opinion, Swiss Lee no do World Dog nothing. Swiss Lee now do that to World Dog. Swiss Lee rate World Dog to the ground where him walk on. You see me I say. But at the end of the day, no people, yes, Swiss Lee come and Swiss Lee react to everything. You see me I say, and Swiss Lee even explain what really take place in a World Dog situation. You see me I say. So basically people, Swiss Lee even stated that if him did that, World Dog wouldn't even go at the party. You see me I say, because from him say him now go, World Dog now go. And he must say the only reason why World Dog not stay back in a Jamaica with him at the end of the day. It was all based on World Dog wanting to go, you know, support him son 4th month and so forth, so forth. You see me I say? And basically people, right now we have the news report where World Dog was seen. You see me I say? So right now I want to check out this news report and tell me what you think down into the comment section. You see me I say?
Family members swarmed the hospital desperate for answers, and that's how we learned the victims are cousins.
It is 3:37 in the morning when surveillance tape captures this black BMW pulling over on the side of State Road 7 next to a police officer. The driver and a passenger get out, ask for help, and say a man who has been shot and killed is in back of the car. Police say the incident happened nearby, close to this Dunkin' Donuts at Southwest 62nd Avenue and Miramar Parkway.
I hear multiple gunshots, one after the other.
Patricia Riviera lives nearby.
Almost immediately after the gunshots, I would say within a minute or two at most, you could hear the police already responding.
Another neighbor shared this video where you can see the Dunkin' Donuts from her front door camera. She said she heard at least 5 shots. While he was in stable condition, the gunshot wound victim taken from this car did not survive.
Yeah, so that is it, people. As I say, yeah, and basically what me really get from all of this, yeah, World Dog did even try to help him cause to just the same. As I say, and you don't know, big up to him for that to see him because him did injure at the point in time. As I say, also basically just a couple days ago, Butta, which is World Dog friend, where them did kick off of a TikTok. As I say, Butta was on a live where Butta stated that World Dog make some shoes missing up for some man, and World Dog in a problem, and that's why him run go Jamaica, because man want catch him for bang him up and baiting. You see me I say? But here people, check out this video.
You go up on live boy, one bag of suck your mother. You know, Jamaica dig up your mother and suck your mother 10 million times, batty boy. And stop walk boy if me fit turn on me live and bum buckle attack. Pussy. Remember this boy, remember you sit down and chat squash man them in a batty boy. Remember good no boy. Remember good no dog, a whole lot of things me not talk oh yes sir. You hear that? Remember good no man. Dog, I go suck your dead mother again, batty boy. Remember you walk and talk about woman give your batty wash in the bed. I been for call the blood clog girl name over here, sir. Pussy, all I sit down in one camp. Now batty boy go suck your mother, pussy. Me a bad boy, none of you can see me and rush me. Pussy, you know me live to your gun yard, then I call up and go suck your mother, batty boy. I walk and talk about something that. But boy, I remember you talk about gun missing up in a dog and squash man, they want to kill you in a dog. I hold it more in a dog. Remember good no man? I hold it more, you chat time for blood clot chat them kill you now. Remember good no man? So the ratings where you look better and did it better.
Yes, so basically, just through Butta did go say that a lot of people have been speculating say at the end of the day, say, yo, it seems like a true Butta did attack. You see me, I say,
I remember about a few days ago, when Butta company internet come say, how much Real Dawg miss up some of certain man's shoes, and how certain man want to kill him. That's why I'm running gone to Jamaica. See it there? Come play out the right, what's what Butta say? Like a true Butta they tell.
and even just a couple weeks before all of this to just the same, World Dawg was also on a live where World Dawg explained a situation to Swissley what take place with him in our club. You see me, I say, so people may also want to check out this video and tell them what you think.
They go out the car, boy, them know me car. Everybody know me Matt Black BMW, so me set a boom now Swissley. As in tap out so. Swissley say me tap out so I reach a blood clot gate. A 3 man me see come behind inside the door and start squeeze off for me. I mean now turn me back and give them in a Swissley. Cause I take my gun from the security now, but my gun the right that's you know. Swissley come my gun jump in on my front, you know. You see me I dig forget to one look enough boy come there now and I saw me jump you know. I say pussy in my tag when me get shot you know. I mean never get no shot in a Swissley. So when enough boy come grab me now you know, like him a pull me now. When him foot slip, so I saw me drop now. And the boy comes up, marks me up in the security, bust 2 or 5 now in a Swissley. Same time I try drop him. Swissley say no me the whole of me. I shoot all the boy there and put him. I sit down over him body, you know, kind of no papers, you know. I shoot him up. Hey, Swissley, I tell you, bro. I don't rate them, boy. And they know I don't rate them. Me, I rate them 95 or further, boy, I don't rate them.
So basically, people, this incident World Dawg really talk about was the last time a group of man basically fire a bag of corn off him. You see me, I say? And really and truly, this is not the first time World Dawg been in this kind of situation. You see me, I say? It just hurtful now for know say at the end of the day, there's a loss of life. Yeah, and condolence to that family. You see me, I say? Which is Drew. You see me, I say? World Dawg cousin. Yeah, and really and truly, because World Dawg get injured to just the same. You see me, I say? But right now, people, we also have a female that goes by the name of Preach and Teach. You see me, I say? And basically, this lady is saying that directly it is Butta do it. You see me, I say? Even though all of this about Butta is alleged. You see me, I say? So anyway, people, I want to check out this video and form your own opinion down into the comment section.
A Butta do it. Rasta King no cover up Butta. A Butta do it. Grudge blood clot World Dawg. A World Dawg carry enough of them to the forefront. Enough of a World Dawg highlight. Enough of them. Imam pretty done. So make me teach and preach that now. A Butta blood clot do it. A Butta figure prison for it. Now make me sit down on this case Butta. My name teach and preach. You know might not give me recognition, but me tell you something I don't like to take advantage of youth. You hear me? Me a hollow man. Me a serious blood clot man. Me no know a World Dawg from one strand I hear in my head. I me no care. Me no want no fame. I me no want nothing. I'm telling about friend blood clot enemy. A grudge blood clot man. Butta. Rasta King are going. Butta we make them. Oh, you don't know, it make me cry, you know. Let me hear say World Dawg get shot, you know. I mean, I know what. Let's say I no want no blood clot friend. A guy that my friend. And my family and my little change. I want no friend. Blood clot bite the hands who feed to set up the man blood clot life. Boy, if he get fucking a prisoner ring out. Batty boy, Butta come for me teach and preach when me flip here. When me turn your head in a blood clot. Chicken foot. Straight to Ghana. And lash you. The right way. You think it bad? I don't even have to go to Ghana. Lash you down a blood clot Dominica. Right down a Dominica. I go lash you. You fucking wicked party, man.
And basically that is it, people. You see me I say, and at the end of the day, it is very easy to blame Butta. You see me I say, because the Butta and World Dawg lasted in a feud, etc. You see me I say, and based on what Butta say, yeah, a lot of people will just Butta as a suspect for that. You see me I say, and really and truly, it no impossible, but all of this is still alleged. You see me I say, also people we still wearing which Swissley breakdown. You see me I say, and basically Swissley cry on the live, and Swissley basically explain everything what go on. You see me I say, and also Swissley have a word for Brit, because as we said before, Brit came on live and Brit say, yo, Swissley sacrificed World Dawg and so forth, you know, and Swissley just in remorse right now, people. So basically I want to check out this and tell me what you think about it down into the comment section.
The dog is there, dog can tell you. The dog say, my son, me nah miss my son 4 months. And I say, bro, one thing, bro, you always tell me say before you meet Yannick, the next girl where you get pregnant, you nah make she live. You nah make she live with the baby. And you know see a pitney grow. And I say, alright, bro, go on up for your son 4 months. Go on up for your son 4 months, bro. And the dog say, bro, I go away. I say, what time are your flight? The dog said 4 o'clock. I say, give me a flight. I'm sending around me so nobody know have to search you. And you go on up. I call Alan. I say, what time are your flight? Them tell me. I send the bus for them. The bus bring home everybody. Ella, the whole of them go home. I say 6. What time I go? 6 of them I go drive, go back to Westmoreland. They make everybody reach home. I ask the team bless them when them out. The team bless them text me and tell me when them I go. I say, alright sis. Team bless them reach home. Them text me and say, I reach home, bro. Thanks for the weekend. And I got some me sacrifice, my friend. Me? Set up my friend. Me? How can I sacrifice my friend? Look how much time me and father in an argument. Look how much time me and father in an argument. You never hear me come on live and this real like it and say real like if you dead. Real like this you me to you, real like you a pussy. Never. Never, bro. Never. Never. You know this hurt me to see my dog in the hospital right now. Imagine if a Jamaica this that me, bro, that kill me, bro. I'm just showing me, bro. So the film is nice. Imagine if a Jamaica did happen. You know what I say? And me make him come Jamaica. Me there, bro. Yo, me there, me watch everything, bro. And that one that say, you know. And me make him come Jamaica. I look him never want to come Jamaica. And that one that say. And that one that say me dad come to Jamaica and things happen to him. And that one that say, bro. Tell me say, bro, people, bro. People, dog. People, bro. Billion, bro. Rest your body, bro. You say you're tired. Man, I tell me nothing like that. The man just say you may reach my yard by 10 o'clock. I will say, alright, call me back by 10 o'clock. I go to boom and go sleep. I wake up in the morning, bro. I see the thing on screen record. Say that I get shot. I will pull my WhatsApp phone. I see the call him. Bro, it's tough, bro. I tell you, fuck up, bro. Bro. You see, Albert? Me never forgive you what you say about me. And the next girl upon the live was say me set up the man. You know mad? Me never ever forgive you, bro. Me never forgive you, bro. I tell you, bro. Me never forgive you, bro. I swear upon my life. Me never forget you, bro. Never ever forgive you. I swear upon my life. But the man is stay. You know why the man go up? The man say, bro, you know why me I go up Swiss? All of me youth them, bro. I grow them different from their mother. Them stay with their mother, bro. And this are the hungry baby we grow with. I mean, now make him 4 months pass me. And that the man said to make him go up in because the man have a music video for shooting him. And I said, bro, just believe me, bro. I start out for a year because my daughter sick. And the man looked at me and the man said to me, bro, I have to go up Swiss. I don't tell myself, say, bro, I not miss nothing out of that baby alive. I not miss nothing. In 4 months I come, I have to go up for him 4 months. And I said, bro, remember before you tell me, you know, before you even meet, Yannick, you look at me and tell me, say, bro, you see the next woman where you're there with, you now make the pitney grow with the mother alone. You grow with a father. You make the pitney grow with your father and a mother. And that's why the man go up in a bro. And that's why the man go up in a bro. Because of the baby in a bro. The man go up because of his son, you know. The man said, bro, nah miss my son 4 months Swiss. I go up and bring up Yannick, spend the baby 4 months and come back Thursday, bro. The man call everybody and tell him say I come back Thursday. Ramish know the man I come back Thursday. Ding Dong know I come back Thursday. My mother, my brother, everybody knows say the man I come back Thursday, bro. That man have a music video for shoot. And this are the first me ever come to Jamaica and I go back quick. I first, me say me a stay, so I stay because of Yara, bro, because my daughter sick. Bad. My daughter sick bad. And I say me nah go. I wake up, bro, and hear some friend get shot in there, man. And my next friend dead.
Yes, so basically, people, based on all of what you all just saw in the video, as I say, yeah, I want to tell me down into the comment section what you really think about it. As I say, do you all really think, say, at the end of the day, a Butta really caused it, pan world, or whether directly or indirectly? As I say, yeah, farm on the toss down into the comment section and make we discuss it. As I say, also, people, remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Ent TV. Also, people, you already know how we do the thing already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.